Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do something really exciting. We're going to take that awesome project sitting on your computer and push it out into the world for everyone to see. And we're going to do it with a fantastic and totally free tool called GitHub Pages. So you've put in the hours, right? You've wrestled with the HTML, you've made the CSS just perfect, and now you've got a website you are genuinely proud of. But there's one small problem. It's stuck on your computer. So how in the world do you get that shareable link to send to, your friends, your family, or maybe even a future employer? Well, this is a classic hurdle every single developer hits. You've built this amazing thing, but it's basically trapped. It's like you painted a masterpiece and then just locked it away in a drawer where no one can see it. And that's really the heart of the problem, isn't it? That index.html file and all your cool images are just sitting there on your hard drive. To share it, you need to get it onto a server somewhere. The good news? We are about to fix that right now, and believe it or not, it's not going to cost you a single penny. And that brings us to the hero of our story, GitHub Pages. It is this amazing free service that GitHub offers that lets you host what are called static websites, which is exactly what your portfolio or resume site is directly from your GitHub account. If you think about traditional web hosting, it can get complicated fast. There are payments, confusing server settings. It's just way too much for a simple portfolio. But GitHub Pages? It just cuts right through all of that noise. It is 100% free, it's incredibly simple to set up, and it's practically made for the exact kind of project you're trying to get online. And the whole philosophy behind it is just pure, beautiful simplicity. The entire workflow is this. You make a change to your code, you push it up to GitHub, and boom. Your changes are live on the website. No messing with complex servers, it just works. Okay, so how do we actually do it? Let's break it down. I'm going to walk you through 5 super simple steps that will take your project from just being a local file to being a live URL that you can share with absolutely anyone. Now, before we dive in, there is one thing you have to do first. It's super important. Your main page, your homepage file, must be named index.html. So if you've called yours resume.html or home.html, just pause and go rename it right now. Think of index.html as the universal front door that all web servers look for first. GitHub Pages needs it. All right, let's get this done. Step 1, you'll obviously need a GitHub account. If you don't have one, get one. It's essential for any developer. So once you're signed in, you're going to click New Repository. Give it a simple, clear name, something like My Resume. And here is the key part of this step. You have to make sure the repository is set to public. On the free plan, GitHub Pages only works for public projects. Okay, now for the magic part. Inside your new repository, look for the Add File button and then choose Upload Files. From there, you just drag and drop your index.html file and any other files for your site right into the browser. Once they're uploaded, go to the Settings tab for your repo. On the left, find Pages. Under the branch section, just select your main branch, it's usually called Main or Master, and hit Save. And that's it. Seriously, you just deployed a website. And now we wait. But don't worry, you're not waiting long. In the background, GitHub is doing its thing. It's building your site and pushing it live. This usually takes just a minute or two. You can even keep refreshing that Pages settings screen, and pretty soon, a little green box will pop up with your live website URL. Okay, your site is live. You click the link, your homepage looks amazing, but then you click a link to your About Me page, and it's broken. This is a super, super common gotcha for beginners, but please don't panic. The fix is really, really simple. So yeah, you click on that About or Contact link, and bam, you get hit with that dreaded 404 file not found error. What gives? I mean, you know the file exists. It's right there on your computer. So why can't the live website find it? The problem is actually really simple when you see it laid out like this. In the first scenario, you only uploaded your index.html file. That's it. So when someone clicks a link that points to about.html, the server looks for it, can't find it, and throws a 404 error. The fix? You just have to upload all of your project's files. So when that link is clicked, the about.html page is actually there waiting for it. So you've got to remember, a website isn't just one file.
It's a whole collection of files that are all linked together. You need to upload everything. All your HTML files like about.html and contact.html, and don't forget any local images or CSS files your project needs. GitHub Pages can only show the files that you've actually given it. Also, it's a good idea to double-check that your links are relative paths, like ./about.html, so they work online just like they do on your computer.
So, once you've uploaded all those missing files, GitHub automatically rebuilds your site. And now, when you go to your link and you click around, everything just works. This is it. This is the payoff. This is that incredible moment where your local project officially becomes a real part of the World Wide Web. And there you have it. You now have a clean, professional-looking URL that you can share with anyone. You can put this on your resume, you can add it to your LinkedIn profile, you can text it to your family. You have officially deployed a website. Congratulations, that's a huge deal. You've just conquered a huge milestone in your journey as a developer. You took an idea from just being code on your machine to a live, public URL. You've leveled up. So the only question left to ask is, what amazing thing are you going to build and share with the world next?